Want to know the upcoming digital marketing trends for 2020? Well, then you must definitely watch this video and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do click on the bell icon there. Namaskar, I am Saurabh Jain, a digital marketing trainer, consultant pro. It's been years that I have been discussing digital marketing trends for the upcoming year. If you look at my 2019 trends, a lot of trends have come true. I believe in practicing before suggesting these trends to you. So vouch it out carefully and start adapting this for your business to scale it up exponentially. Here are your 20 digital marketing trends for the year 2020. Trend number 1, WhatsApp for Business and WhatsApp chatbots is going to be the biggest game changer. Facebook has started using WhatsApp push buttons pretty strongly, and WhatsApp chatbots through platforms like Flocksend, API War, etc. will become one of the bestest way to grow your subscribers. WhatsApp story ads is also expected to go big bang in 2020, so stay tuned for that. Trend number 2, podcasts are here to rock. US has adapted to the trend, India follows late but then gets stronger. In the US, podcast is now one of the topmost sources from where people consume content. While on YouTube, we compete with millions on podcasts, the competition is pretty less, and voice-based search, voice-based devices, voice-based technology advancement will become the talk of the town. It's about the power of voice. Trend number 3, LinkedIn will win the organic game. LinkedIn today is where Facebook was in 2008. It's bringing the organic value pretty stronger. You would have noticed it. You post something, your friends like it, their friends get to know about it, they start sending you networking requests, and that's how the tribe grows. LinkedIn allows innovative PDF-based crawls, better reach for videos, good engagement, and overall, it's becoming a complete package in the world full of professionals. Trend number 4, LinkedIn ads will get cheaper. When someone asks me this question, hey, do you use LinkedIn advertisements? And even before I respond, there would be someone saying it's expensive. Oh yes, it is, but it makes a lot of difference. If you want to make it reach to the decision makers, the top guys hang out on LinkedIn and not much on Instagram and Facebook. In 2019, I have tested LinkedIn in-mail ads several times and it has worked brilliantly. Don't be surprised if LinkedIn ads will become cheaper in 2020, so master it right now. Trend number 5, TikTok will catch attention of marketers. Oh, the entire world is thinking TikTok is going to be the next big thing. Why? Because of its growth. Look, TikTok has been one of the fastest growing platforms in a very short time. Why? Because of entertainment, infotainment. TikTok advertisements, TikTok challenges, TikTok for education, and as I said, TikTok for infotainment. You are going to adapt a lot of these in 2020 as the rural-most segment of India is TikTok savvy. Trend number 6, vernacular will dominate the internet. It's been a year-on-year prediction, but vernacular this year will overrule English in India. Thanks to TikTok that all social media brands will try to bring in strong flavor of Hindi, Tamil and other languages to make their platforms more popular. While on YouTube, vernacular language-based content will be the most consumed in 2020, if brands do not invest in vernacular advertisements on Facebook, they will see their cost increasing. We have been creating Tamil advertisements, Hindi advertisements, Marathi advertisements and advertisements in different languages, and the cost per lead has been cheaper. Trend number 7, story ads will yield the best results. 2020 will kill number of likes on Instagram posts, but the stories is where people are going to hang out. YouTube story, Instagram story, Facebook story and WhatsApp story. Don't be surprised if LinkedIn launches its version of story too. Story ads are cheaper and dominating, so go invest there. Trend number 8, Instagram's organic reach will improve. Fearing TikTok's success, you can expect Instagram to potentially bring more organic reach than any other platform. It's time for you to connect and interact with your audience on a day-to-day basis. Trend number 9, Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp Sequence will replace emails. Email marketing is an expensive affair. To maintain database is challenge and most of the emails land up in spam or updates box. Messenger and WhatsApp-based database marketing is going to dominate in 2020. It's cheap, crisp, one-to-one, and very conversational. Trust me, the opening rate of both the platforms has been awesome. Trend number 8, digital PR will build your SEO. SEO is not dead. It requires long-form content and great backlinks. Build a game of backlinks from digital PR initiatives. Become a columnist in top blogs, journals, e-papers, and make a lot of difference to your SEO growth. Remember to create few masterpieces and get as many backlinks as possible internally for these masterpieces to other blog posts that you have written to support them. Remember, the king and the queen blog post matters a lot. Trend number 11. YouTube advertisements will become like Facebook advertisements. 2020 is going to be dominance of growing YouTube subscriptions, but the key question is, will that really get you your video views? Maybe or maybe not. So growing YouTube channel in digitally booming India will become a new fad. Focus on YouTube SEO this year and be more worried about watch time of the video than anything else this year. Just learn how to be discovered. Trend number 12. YouTube community. If you really wish to build something in 2020, you should focus on YouTube stories and YouTube community posting. So start engaging with your audience there. It's going to be one of the largest communities that you can build around the content. So instead of posting things on Facebook page, it's better that you grow your YouTube channel and start engaging your audience on the YouTube community out there. Now let's look at trend number 13. 2020 is about YouTube plus podcast plus text-based SEO in combination. Try a blog post with an audio embed from Google Podcast and a video embed from the YouTube on the same topic. You will have higher chances of the blog post coming on top of Google search results. Why? Because you have used multiple Google products. It's just a suggestion and you can test it up and see if it brings you some good results. Trend number 14. Google My Business page is the new cool. Websites will die in 2020. A lot of local businesses will start adapting to invest in Google My Business. So if you want to really go strong in local SEO game, then you need to dominate Google My Business. All you have to do is maintain a keyword-rich page, encourage great reviews, consistently update your page with new updates, images and videos, and promote it extensively on your blogs and other channels and across social networking sites. Now let's look at the next luxurious trend. It's called the augmented reality. We did one for our institute called Digital Scholar in Chennai. Like that, a lot of brands will focus on customized Instagram filters in 2020. This is, however, a luxury not every brand can adapt to. In the AR world, you can expect AR live events, AR videos, and you can create a better buying experience for a lot of your customers. The trend number 16 is digital detox. A lot of programs related to digital detox this year will flourish. Many would have completed a decade of social media usage, and this has only been mounting to anxieties, depression, and restlessness for many. As a result, many programs and products related to digital detox is more likely to flourish in 2020. Trend number 17. Facebook pages will die. The role of Facebook pages will become mere a content dumping platform. This year, Facebook groups will see more advanced features. Business growing Facebook communities will have a better organic reach and interaction with their audiences. So go build a community on Facebook. Trend number 18. Social media stores is here to stay and grow. Facebook Marketplace, Instagram Store, and Instagram shoppable posts may dominate 2020 with a lot of new features. Trend number 19. The rise of live. YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Instagram Live will dominate 2020. To grow your tribe, this has to come alive. So start going live every other day. Last but not the least, trend number 20, influencers and SEO relationship. While schema makes a lot of difference in SEO in 2022, brands using influencers for SEO will succeed more than brands waiting for guest post acceptances for backlinks. So start creating a long-term SEO strategy with bloggers with great domain authority. Go build relationship with those influencers and make them talk about your brand on social media as well as on their blog and YouTube channel. It makes a lot of difference for your SEO and for your brand's credibility on the internet. So guys, these are 20 awesome trends for 2020. It's time for you to adapt them. I know many of you have practiced this year. Many of you believe that you're going to practice it next year. But the truth is, you need to practice this for sure in order to make your business grow. While we have been doing traditional methods of digital marketing, it's always important to change and adapt new techniques because change is the new cool. And in digital, if you're not adapting to these changes, you will never be in a position to grow. You guys have been awesome. Thank you for all the support that you have been giving me for all these years. 2019 has been a great year for me personally, and I'll tell you why. All these years, I was competing with multiple masters across the country, but this year personally has been a year of collaboration for me. I've learned to collaborate with most of the masters and digital marketers and try to exchange work or work with each other. This way, I'm in a position to learn a lot more than compete with them on the internet. And not just this, I have decided that in the year 2020, I will do a lot more collaborations and create more opportunities for people to work with me. My institute, Digital Scholar, is doing really well. My agency, EchoMe, is flourishing, and saurabhjain.com is doing really great because of all the love that you have been showering on me by far. With this note, I'll end up my video, and do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, and let your friend know that this guy from Chennai has been helping a lot of people in understanding digital marketing for free or at the cost that they can afford. With this note, I'll end up my video. Dhanyavad.